marami ring lumalabas na hindi dumadaan sa POEA or sa ngayon sa Department of Migrant Workers. So, turistang lumabas. Pagdating doon, sino mag-protest kanila? They are undocumented. Kaya nga, on a daily basis, 100 workers naka-standby daan sa polo or dyan sa embassy kasi they run away but they cannot go home because they don't have documents. Turista sila. At pag alis pa nila, illegal ang pag-alis nila. And sometimes this alis is mayroong nagkakapera diyan sa pag-alis ng mga tao na. Pagdating ng problema, who will help them when they are not documented?
Reminder lang no sa mga audience na nanonood dyan and doon sa mga may planong lumabas abroad, guys, huwag kayong mag-shortcut dahil yung right process will mean protecting you the right way. So dapat sakto yung documents, dumaan kayo doon sa POEA.
Or Department of Migrant Workers na ngayon. So when you cut short, be careful because you might be in trouble. It's good to follow what is provided by law, the support that is established by the Philippine government. In fact, we are one of the best in terms of protecting OFWs. Many countries are copying our systems of having the POA or migrant workers, the UWA. In fact, some workers from other countries like Africa and other Asian countries, when they run away, they go to our polo because their embassies are not protecting as the way we protect our workers.